Welcome to BOS Fashion School, where fashion designing is made easy. So in the last tutorial, I taught us how to cut crisscross Bubu top using a pattern paper. Today I'll be showing you how to cut it on organdy material. Yes, that is what our clients chose. You can use any fabric of choice. So our top length is 33 inches. So we're marking down 33 inches now, and the width of the fabric was 20. She doesn't want it to be too long, but at least to the elbow length. So the neck width, we're using 3 inches for the neck width, and the depth is 1 inch for the back. Note that this is the back pattern on fold. Remember, it is always on fold. So we'll cut off the neck depth and the neck width and slant our hand a little for the shoulder. I may not be showing you all of this in this video because some of the parts where we were discussing was cut off. So here we marked the sleeve and then curve our hand just a little bit inward to make sure that we're sewing the right side. I've already made the slants on the shoulder, and the total width of the sleeve is 11 inches. Total width of sleeve is 11 inches for ease. Remember, this is a lightweight material, so we need the fullness. That is why we are not cutting it in deep. If you're using Ankara material, you know that you're going to cut it at least in deep so that it will be a bit fitted. But this one is a full fabric design. So we've cut out our back pattern. Remember, I taught us how to draft this on pattern paper in my previous video. If you don't know how, please go and check it out. This is just a sewing video and showing you that yes, we did it on fabric and this was the result. So the length of the fold of the crisscross in front, we used 25. Remember, please go back and check the video. And then we curve the neck, v-neck downwards. That is 10 inches in length. The v-neck is 10 inches in length. We use the same neck width, which is 3 inches, but the depth is 10 inches, and then we slant our hand and cut it down to the 25 inches length of the crisscross. And now down to sewing. We're on our sewing machine. Yes, we may not show you all of the details because this is one of the students learning crisscross Bubu. You can also register for the class so that you can do hands-on projects. We'll get you on all projects, monitor and make sure that you sew perfectly, have perfect results that will help you organize your luxury brand properly. Alright, so the shoulders first. Remember, you're going to sew down the shoulders first, and then you can sew down the side, which will remain only the crisscross. Don't worry, we are going to do the sleeve later. The crisscross, we join the two sides, the left and the right side, and then now we will now fold it. When you fold it, you will notch the midpoint of your back pattern and place the midpoint of the crisscross to the midpoint of the back. Note, you have to cross it. In this video, I may not show you all of it, but then you have to cross it. Please note, cross it and let it look like what you desire to have. And I'm betting you that you're going to have a good result. See one of our students' results here. She made it and it was looking perfect and beautiful. Make sure that you subscribe and watch the next video that we're going to be putting out there on different projects. Thank you for watching.